Welcome back to the channel, friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can completely block annoying ads on your phone. That includes ads inside games, ads on different websites, pop-ups in emails, and even those irritating advertisement notifications. So, let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. The very first step is to adjust your internet settings so that ads don't even load on your phone in the first place. To do this, open your phone's main settings. Now, depending on your phone's brand or model, this option might be located in different places. To make it easier, just use the search bar in your settings. Type DNS into the search bar. Once you see the option for private DNS, tap on it. Now, choose private DNS provider hostname. In the box that appears, type this exactly, dns.adguard.com. After typing, press save. And that's it. With this small step, you've already blocked a huge chunk of advertisements that usually appear in websites and games. Now let's move on to the second step, which is disabling advertisement notifications. Here's what usually happens. When you first visit a website, you sometimes click Allow when it asks to send you notifications. And then, boom, you start receiving endless advertising notifications on your phone. Don't worry, we're going to fix that. Open your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Tap the three dots at the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Site Settings, and inside that, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of websites that are allowed to send you notifications. Most of these are just sending you spammy ads, so go through the list one by one. Tap on each website, and simply turn off the switch next to Allow Notifications. Do this for all the websites you don't trust or don't need. Personally, I disable notifications for every single site. Now, let's handle pop-ups and redirects. Still inside your browser settings. Tap on pop-ups and redirects. Make sure this option is disabled. If it's turned on, just switch it off. After that, go back, and check the option called intrusive ads. This should also be disabled. If it's on, turn it off. And there you go, you've successfully blocked most of the ads that disturb you while browsing or gaming. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future tips and tricks like this. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can also click the join button below. Members get special perks, direct contact options, and some exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, and enjoy your ad-free phone experience.